Welcome to the United Christian Marriage Podcast, where healing, restoration, and growth come together to help you rebuild your marriage through God's guidance. Are you ready to heal from the past hurts, rebuild trust, and strengthen your relationship with your spouse? Do you want to break free from the cycles of dysfunction that seem to keep you stuck? Are you wondering, how do I feel in love again? How do I get back to passion? How do I create the unity that goes beyond the passion, the unity that goes beyond my whimsical feelings of today? And that is what I help you figure out on this podcast. If you're longing for a marriage that's grounded in faith, grace, and healing, then you're in the right place. I am Micaiah Gray, your host and Christian marriage coach. In each episode, I walk you through real, everyday marriage struggles, things like communication breakdowns, misunderstandings, financial stress, and how to navigate difficult seasons with love and respect. We talk about how parenting affects marriage and how marriage affects parenting. We talk about how marriage affects the whole family unit, and we talk about how the past traumas and hurts and things that have even been generational in our family from our childhood and our parents' childhood, how those things trickle down and affect us, and how we can partner with our spouse to stop the negative effects of those things from passing on to our children. Together, we'll explore practical tools rooted in biblical principles that will help you partner with God to restore your marriage and build the life you've always dreamed of, one step at a time. Whether you're in the middle of a tough season or simply looking to take your marriage to the next level, this podcast will give you the encouragement and clarity you need to heal, grow, and thrive together as a couple. We are going to talk about how two people who are completely separate, made in God's image but different, can become one unit working with one mind, one goal, one mission, and all in love. All in God's love, God's grace, and His love according to His word. So if you're ready to see your marriage become what God intended it to be, then hit subscribe. Let's get started on this journey of healing and unity today. I also invite you to book a free coaching call with me. I'd love to help you create a clear, actionable plan to move forward in your marriage right now. Bye.